This is black color. It is circle. It is oval. It is heart. It is square. It is left right arrow. This is triangle. Now let us know about the color name. These are our colors. It is olive green color, yellow color, brown, peach color, red color, green. This is violet, blue color, light green, blue color, orange, pink color, purple, fluorescent yellow, black color. Let us color the shapes. This is purple color. It is circle. Olive green color. It is oval, pink color. It is heart, sky blue color. It is square, red color. It is left right arrow, green color. Kids, let us recall the shape's name and color name once again. This is circle, purple color, oval, sea green color, heart, pink color, square, sky blue color, left right arrow, red color, triangle, angle, green color. Thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe and keep learning. Bye bye.